I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterfly?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Well, I am not, because I have a blocked nose. It's like in each and every intro I have to say like I am not doing okay, because I am not doing okay, you don't want to scare away the audience, Sushmita. Yeah, like let's start the video. Let's try to make a soothing voice over, because this is a fairy makeup tutorial. Okay, let me try. So for this makeup tutorial, I can't do this. Okay, for this makeup tutorial I didn't use a lot of foundation. As you can see, I've just applied like very little bit under my eyes, chin, forehead. Basically little bit of foundation or concealer will do. Now I'm taking a liquid lipstick, and I didn't go overboard with the blush. Generally I use a lot of blush, but I didn't. I want to keep it like simple, so I didn't. By the way, this is a look inspired by Lily Butts. She created this whole fairy look, this particular look. I'll give her socials in the description. Then I'm doing my soap eyebrows. I also did my eyeliner off cameras, and here I have some bindis because I don't have the makeup stones, so I'll be using them as stones. I'll be applying them around my eyes. She had stones, but I don't have those stones, so I'm just using this bindi stones. If it made any sense, it didn't, so I'll just shut up. Then I'm wearing a liquid lipstick. She was not wearing gloss. I'm disappointed, but then yeah, she was wearing a matte lipstick, and this color is pretty much closer to hers. So yeah, a matte liquid lipstick, preferably brown. Then I will be adding the flowers from this, whatever this is, like a headband or something, I don't know. This was very old and it was just laying there, and I thought I could use them, so I just tore it apart. Yay! I used double tape to stick them, and zoop, there went my flower. Okay, now I have this chain, and I will just rest it behind my ears, and just I didn't fix it with my hair. I just kept it behind my ears and just let it hang. Lastly, I braided my hair and also added some eyelashes, and this is the look. By the way, there are so many tutorials on making elf ears. Mine one is pathetic, so I didn't add it to the video. It's just paper. I hate it. Bye.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course. Just a minute. Dear, I'll never catch him while I'm this small.